Hey, and welcome to the Business Tools Mastery video series. First, I want to start out with video number 1, which is the introduction to business tools. Now, there is a difference between self-improvement versus business improvement. However, I want to make something clear that this video series is primarily focused on helping your business. However, at the same time, once you use these tools to improve your business, it can indirectly help you in other areas of your life. So that's a great thing for you, is it'll help your organization, it'll help you speed up tasks in terms of business tasks, but it'll also help you speed up things you do in your life all around. I can tell you from my experience that focusing on improvement of my business has also helped me with self-improvement. So if you run a company that's primarily just you, it'll help you in all different areas. If you have a business, you have, let's say, 5 to 10 people or more, you can use this video series to help every one of them and help each of your employees speed up the business side and the self-improvement side. So now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's talk about the video series as a whole. I want to give you a quick overview of all of the 8 individual videos. If you know what to expect, then you're going to be able to speed it up in the process. So it's sort of like we're planning ahead. You know what to expect, you can speed it up. This is video number 1, which is the introduction to business tools, so I'm not going to talk about that. But video number 2 is all about email organization. Now, email organization, the purpose of this is to help you organize your emails, categorize your emails, put labels on them, and so forth. And this will enable you to find your emails a lot easier. Now, you might be thinking, well, why can't I just use the Gmail or the Yahoo search feature? You can do that, but by categorizing and labeling them, let's say, for example, that you're trying to find all of your expenses during tax season. If you've not categorized or used labels, then you're going to have a hard time finding all of the expenses and so forth. Now, it goes a lot further. This is just a simple idea, but it goes a lot further than that, and I'll go a little more detail in that video number 2. In this video number 2, we're going to talk about Yahoo and Gmail. So I'm going to be using Yahoo and Gmail to give you a good idea because they're the most popular. You can use Hotmail and so forth if you want. Now, in video number 3, we're going to talk about email centralization. Now, I talked briefly about this in the sales video demo, but if you didn't watch that, let me go over that right now. Centralizing your emails, let's say with Yahoo or Gmail, is very important. If you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 or more different websites, and you don't have a help desk, you're most likely going to have like 10 different emails. Now, many online business owners, you're going to have at least 5 or more. Now, it's very time consuming if you check every single one. You log in during noon and during night, and even if you do that, you're still having to log into every single email. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up in a way so that you can log into one email, but access all of those 5 to 10 or more email addresses and make it look professional, that nobody knows that you're having just one email address. So it makes it easier for you and it saves you time indirectly. Video number 4, we're going to talk about Google Apps. Different types of Google tools. There are many Google tools, but we're going to talk about specific ones that I have found to help. Video number 5, we're going to talk about saving time. In this specific video, we're going to talk about saving time and how to speed up tasks by using some free software tools. There's a specific free software tool that I use that helps me speed tasks up. Now, you can intertwine video number 5 and 6 together so you can help save time, and speed tasks up. But I'll show you how to do something where you can take something that takes you about a month to do in a couple weeks, or it takes you a couple weeks to do in a couple days. Video number 6, we're going to talk about online time management. There's a specific software that I use. It's called Rescue Time, and I'll talk about that in more detail. But Rescue Time basically enables you to, it's a software that is on your computer. It analyzes everything you do on your computer, online, and it tells you, how much time are you spending on Facebook? How much time are you spending on stuff that really matters or distractive activities? If you know what you are spending time on, then it's pretty much a guarantee that with determination that you're not supposed to spend time on this and that, or you can block out sites that are distracting, that will enable you to have better online time management. I can tell you right now that I've spent about 8 hours a day working. Out of the 8 hours a day, it's crazy, but 8 hours a day, about 4 hours of those 8 hours, I was actually working. The other time I was just spending on YouTube, Facebook, and so forth. That's why you've got to figure out ways to separate business and personal life. And these are the tools that you need. Video number 7, we're going to talk about collaboration tools. Different collaboration tools out there, both ones that are free and ones that you have to pay for, but you really don't need a lot of money for the tools that I will show you. Video number 8, we're going to talk about communication tools. There are hundreds of communication tools, but which ones can really help you? Now let's talk about tools that you're going to need. Fortunately, all the tools that you're going to need are downloadable through the internet, so you're going to need the internet. You're also going to need some money if you want to upgrade from the free series to the pro series for some of these tools to maximize the potential for your improvement. And of course, the will to succeed. If you're going into this and watching this video series and you have no will to succeed, then stop. Because you need the will to succeed, you need the persistence, and you need to be ready to take this all in and implement it. If you have no will to succeed and no action, you don't take any action after watching this video series, it's not going to help you. But I guarantee you that if you take just one of these individual videos and implement them, you will decrease the amount of time that you spend working and increase your productivity. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2, which is about email organization.